WJWJ-FM Rock Hill at 88.9, WLJK at 89.1, WSCI-FM Charleston at 89.3 and HD2, WJWJ-FM Beaufort at 89.9, WHMC-FM Conway at 90.1.
In addition to just how big it is and how much space it's literally... The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Barnwell County in central South Carolina, southwestern Bamberg County in central South Carolina, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Barnwell State Park, or near Barnwell, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Barnwell, Bamberg, Denmark, Blackville, Barnwell State Park, Hilda, Snelling, Uller, Klein, Elko, Govan, Bamberg County Airport, and Barnwell County Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The official who was not authorized to speak publicly said